Somnath Bharti don't seem to be ending anytime soon. A Delhi court today refused to grant anticipatory bail to him in a domestic violence and attempt to murder case filed by his wife Lipika Mitra. To add to his discomfort, a Delhi court has also issued non-bailable warrants against him in the same case. Details in this report.
Former Law Minister of Delhi Somnath Bharti's legal options to elude a possible arrest seems to be running out fast. Bharti is an accused in a case of domestic violence. A Delhi court has refused to grant anticipatory bail to him, heightening anxiety in the Aam Aadmi Party camp and bringing the possibility of his arrest closer to reality.
On the basis of that, the court said that this is, at present, we cannot deny that there is a case of 307 is not made out. So on the same basis, the bail was dismissed.
Somnath Bharti's wife Lipika had filed a complaint of domestic violence with the Delhi Commission for Women. The commission had attempted to solve the issue between Somnath and his wife, but to no avail. Somnath Bharti's wife had also given a complaint to police. The Delhi police had registered an FIR against Bharti, after which he had applied for bail. After the setback from court, it is being believed that Somnath Bharti's arrest is imminent. But his lawyer has refuted these claims.
जो एप्लीकेशन इनकी लगी थी मॉर्निंग में मिस्टर संजय गर्ग द्वारका कोर्ट में सेशन जज साहब के यहाँ पे काफ़ी देर इसमें बहस चली थी, मगर कोर्ट ने मुझे अभी बताया गया है कि बेल नहीं दी है। तो ऑर्डर पड़ते ही हम इमीडिएटली हाई कोर्ट में मूव कर जाएंगे और हमने तो फर्स्ट अवेलेबल अपॉर्चुनिटी पे बेल लगा दी थी।
Somnath and Lipika have 2 children. Lipika stays with her children. Case registered against Somnath include attempt to murder, cruelty towards partner in marriage, criminal breach of trust.
तो अगर पुलिस को लगा है कि 307 बनता है तो उन्होंने बनाया है। अब उनके ऊपर है कि उनको लगता है कि नहीं बनता तो अपने वो जो सबूत है वो पेश करें।
The issue may be of domestic violence, but being a public figure, opponents have sharpened their attack on Somnath Bharti.
जो महिलाओं के प्रति आम आदमी पार्टी के लोगों का दृष्टिकोण है वो बहुत ही खराब है। दिल्ली में महिलाएं पूरी तरह से सुरक्षित नहीं है और सोमनाथ भारती को तुरंत पुलिस को सरेंडर करना चाहिए।
ये सरकार को सोमनाथ भारती के इस्तीफे गिरफ्तारी के साथ साथ इस्तीफा भी देना चाहिए, क्योंकि इतना गंदा तो आज तक इतिहास में कभी नहीं हुआ कि कोई पब्लिक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव इस तरह से गंदी हरकतें करे।
This is not the first time when Somnath Bharti is embroiled in a controversy. During his tenure as law minister, he had also faced charges of getting involved in a conflict with foreign nationals. News Night Desk, DD News.